April, middle of April, and still no sunshine. Last night it was freezing cold. Yesterday I came out and pulled all the curly leaves. Apparently in UK the reason why it gets leaf curl is when it rains, it brings a disease, fungus, and it makes the leaves curl like so, which I done yesterday. I filled in nearly a bucket full. As you can see, it's got loads of fruits on it. So I'm not going to spray it, I'm going to water it. Give it a real good soak in so that it goes right down to the root and gives the tree a chance to recover. That's why it's very hard to grow fruits, tropical fruits in UK. So I'm going to put the hose on it and soak it right to the root. Hopefully that should cure the peach leaf curl. So I'm not going to spray it again, otherwise it would hurt the tree. You should only do it when it's dormant and when it's just about coming out of dormancy. After that, don't touch it. Let the tree recover. They had a real good soak. That's going right down to the roots now. So the next time I come, 3-4 days time, I'll give them a bit of feed, seaweed, fish blood and bone, the sulfate potash to boost the growth of the leaves. And come and clean all these weeds as well. Last week I came out here and pulled all these fruit trees curled leaves off. This is my Saturn peach. Because we live in UK, we're getting so much rain that it brings a disease, and when the rain hits the tree, it's got some sort of fungus in the rain. So what I did last week, came out and pulled all the curled leaves off and watered it right into the roots. I put the hose on it so that the water goes right down to the roots, and left it for a week for the tree to recover. And it's doing really well now. What they recommend is, in UK, because it rains so much, is to keep the trees in a sheltered area. Well, if you haven't got the area to put the trees in, you're not going to be able to do that. So the only option I got is to keep an eye on it all the time. The fruits are getting bigger and they're not falling off, which is a good sign. Might still have a couple of curled leaves on it, but I'm not going to worry about that. Let's have a look if the fruit falls off. No, nice and strong, and the fruits are getting bigger. That's a good sign. And the apricots, they're okay. And we got a fruit here, apricot. That's looking healthy. Morello tree is looking healthy as well. Cherry tree. Plums looking healthy. And the nectarine is recovering as well. It's getting nice foliage on there now, and it's filling up. Well, last week it was almost naked. Well, still naked, but it should recover. and it's still got the flowers on it, and they're not falling off. As you can see, look, it's growing fruits. Nectarines are growing on there, right down the bottom, shiny part there. All in all, it's not too bad. So I shall put up another video couple of weeks time, see how they're getting on. If this helps other people who are trying to grow fruit trees in their backyard,